To transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another, such as from Lasr to Crypto.com, start by opening the Lasr Live platform or dashboard. From there, navigate to the Accounts page and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as XRP. Once selected, click on the Send button, which will prompt a window to appear. In this window, you will need to enter the recipient address, which can be obtained from your Crypto.com account. To find this address, open the Crypto.com app or website, go to the Account section, and click on Crypto Wallet. Then, click on the Transfer button, followed by Deposit, and select the cryptocurrency you are receiving. In this case, XRP. Choose the network you want to use. For XRP, the native network is an option. After selecting the network, you will be provided with a wallet address, which you can copy by clicking on the paper icon next to it. Return to the Lasr Live platform and paste the wallet address into the recipient address section. It is also crucial to check if a tag or memo has been provided, as this information must be copied and entered into the corresponding section on the Lasr Live platform. If no tag or memo is provided, you can leave this section blank. After entering the necessary information, click Continue, then specify the amount you wish to transfer, and click Continue again. Before finalizing the transfer, verify that the wallet address and amount are correct. Then click Continue once more. The final step is to confirm the action on your device by following the on-screen instructions. Upon completion of these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Lasr to Crypto.com.